just want to give you a picture of what we're dealing with up here. We're coming out. It's going to end up on that trapeze there, that unistrut. And we have to go all the way down, way down there. And we have to stay lower than it's stuck here, right above my head here. So we have to stay lower than that, all the way down. There's a few of them going across there, but we should be good. I want to know a little bit more after we get quite a ways down. But for now, I just want to give you an example of what's going on. So, with that being said, shalom. These things are pretty, these lights are pretty thick here. Thick base on them. There's another one there. The lights. Okay. Well, AC out. Shalom.